Hello? What is up?
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Always team up. We did it! We crawled through doggy doors with our little pup. We did it! We did it!
Okay, so funny story, I already started filming this video and then I deleted all the footage because I realized that I had a better idea. So originally I was gonna film myself packing a box with my books, but I realized that's so boring. Like, why would you want to watch me fill a box with books? So I decided I will instead show you me taking down all my posters. If you don't know, I have an entire wall of Michael Jackson and some other things, so I feel like that's gonna be really interesting. I didn't really initially intend on filming any of this, but I mean, people are saying that they want to watch it, so I mean, ask and you shall receive. So I want to watch it. I want to watch this in the future. So this is mostly for myself and my friends. The plan is I'm gonna take down all my posters and I'm gonna take some of them with me to college, but only a few of them. I'm not gonna take any of these really big ones like this because I have a limited space and you know, I just want to make the most of my space. Also, I have a roommate, so I don't want my roommate to get freaked out by all the Michael Jackson because, you know, every time people come over, they're like, how the fuck do you sleep with that much Michael Jackson? And I'm like, I don't. So as of right now, today, I will be moving into my dorm in 6 days. That is really soon. So, yeah, I really need to get packing because I kind of haven't done anything. But I'm just starting with the small stuff. The last episode was the junk drawer. Also, before I get started taking my posters down, I just wanted to let you guys know that there's a dorm haul coming soon. I just have to film it because I bought a lot of stuff and I feel like it's just gonna take a really long time to film, so I'm waiting on that one. And I also bought a lot of clothes for college. And I bought them all at thrift stores, so I was wondering maybe I should do a thrift haul, question mark. Let me know if you want to see that. Even if you don't, I'll probably still do it anyways because I do what I want. So yeah, let's get started. This will all be in time warp because, you know, it'll take a long time if it's not. So I'll show you which posters I'm going to keep and which I plan on putting away in storage. This is my wall, and then I have some more posters over there. And then, ow, what the fuck? Yeah, so I have all of this. I call this my art wall. This is just a bunch of random shit that me and my friends do on MS Paint because we're dumb as fuck. And by friends, I mean one friend. You know who you are, bitch. I'm gonna be keeping this to take to my dorm. I think that as well. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Or that one. I don't know. These are also such good photos. Oh my god. Oh, I'll take this one. This one's really good. I'm gonna take that one. I'll definitely take this. This is Queen. Ooh, my fucking... Did you hear my knuckle crack? Holy shit. I might take one of these or both. I don't know. If I take both, it'll look like I'm a diehard Beatles fan and I kind of only know like 4 songs, so I don't know. I might take this one just because it's cool and I drew it. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'll go ahead and put this in time warp. See ya. Okay, if you're wondering what the fuck's going on here, my brother's hugging me goodbye because this is the last time he's gonna see me, and he's like going on a trip or something. I don't fucking know. But anyways, yeah, this is the last time I was gonna see him, so I was hugging him goodbye. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, bitch, we get it. Stop dancing. This bitch does not listen and cannot dance at all. Oh my fucking god, oh my fucking god. Okay guys, I had to stop midway through because I'm getting really emo actually. I didn't think I would get emo about this, but like I actually am. When I put these posters up, I was like 13 or something, and like, okay, this is like really corny and cliche, but at the time I was like super depressed, and like the only thing in my life that actually really made me happy was like Michael Jackson, which is why I surrounded myself with so many pictures of him, and like I only listened to his music and all that. I feel like all these pictures of him are just like a symbol of hope in my adolescence. I don't know, it sounds really corny, but like literally every time I walked in my room and saw all these pictures of Michael Jackson, like I would feel so happy, and it would like distract me from all the sadness and all the shitty things going on in my life at that time. So this is like kind of a big deal, and it's like sort of monumental that I'm taking down these posters. Plus it's like super iconic. Like whenever people think of my room, they think of the Michael Jackson wall, and now it's like gonna be gone. I guess I just have to think of this as a new chapter in my life. I'm excited for the change, but oh my god, I'm so emo. Like look how white and blank this wall is. Rip in peace, bro. Kiddos, that's the end of my video, I think. I'm kind of mad because I forgot to take a picture before I did it, so I'm just gonna have to remember in spirit what it looked like before. Let me show you an after. So these are my naked ass walls. It's really fucking weird. I feel so, this is just really fucking wild. My room is so naked. Oh, I forgot a couple. Well, that's okay. I'm hanging those up in my next room anyways. Okay. Thanks for watching. I have no idea when this video will be up because my fucking internet is so slow in this house, and my last video took like 2 fucking days to upload. So I'll see ya when I see ya, and tune in for my dorm room haul. Yeah, I'm really sweaty. It's so fucking hot. Oh my god.